Today I am going to give you a review about a place where I have been living for last 3 days. It's a guest house by the name called Gastehaus Koller, and it's a B&B. The B&B means bed and breakfast. They never provide any kind of other meals that include lunch and dinner. So I will give you a quick review about this place. They also own this place along the other building, right? So let's go inside. This building is fully secured, and after the guests come in, they will give you with the security code, and you can open the door by putting the security code 6005. And as I am going out today, after spending my 3 days here, my luggage is ready. This is the way. This is the kitchen area, and when you come inside, they will give you a welcome this drink, alcoholic drink, most probably maybe a beer. So if you want to need to have something, some kind of drink, they will provide you every kind of drink, but you have to pay them. You will find all kind of beers, drinks, alcohol and non-alcohol, and water, and you can pay in cash just by putting your name on this paper and your room, and that's it. And these are their prices. And they can also provide you a fridge where you can put your stuff in the fridge, and this is the freezer. As I told you before, this is a bed and breakfast. First I will show you the breakfast. They will provide you all kinds of bread. This is the cereals, cashews, almond, raisins, desserts, drink, fruits, all sorts of coffees and chocolate drinks, jams, local cheese. If you are non-vegetarian, you have your bacon, whatever you like, desserts, eggs, butter. This is my stuff already done. This is the interior of the kitchen. You can sit to have your breakfast inside the room as well as outside. And I forget one thing, this is a $100 bed and breakfast accommodation. So this place is owned by a person named called Stefan and Karen. This is the second generation business involved by these two people. Previously it has been running by their parents. So let's go upstairs and I will show you the room. My room, especially my room. This is the souvenirs. If you want to buy, you can pay a small amount of money. And these are the maps of the local area. All these are the brochures. As I forget to tell you before, this is Appenzell. This place is located in the Appenzell and is the canton of Innerrhoden. I will show you my room, and look their technology. Look, the key, still old tradition but very much preserved. This is my room in last 3 days. See, The mess is everywhere, but what you can say after you spending 3 days. This is a nice double bed, chair, all sort of sockets. See, you can put all kind of wardrobes here, all kind of clothes you can hang, and this is the view from the outside. And I will show you the door from the back. Look, the door. This is locked. Now I'm going to show you the toilet. It's a very nice toilet, and that's me. This is the toilet. You can see a very nice view from the outside, and you can relax here too. This is indoor heater for winter. Nice beautiful toilet. Cold water, hot water. They have the hair dryer, soap, and that's me. Nice beautiful shower. This is the Swiss technology. On the right hand side, if you move hot water, sorry, on the right hand side is the cold water. If you move the knob, and on the left hand side is the cold water. And this is the $100 bed and breakfast accommodation for a single person. These are the other rooms, all have the same kind of locks. Sorry. As I told you before, this bed and breakfast accommodation is 100% secured. No one can come inside without the permission or authorization. This business is being running by a person called Stefan and Karen. This is the second generation business, and I'm going to show you from the outside once again. So these two buildings are running by the same person. So this is a very short review, but from 1 to 10, I give them a rating of 8 out of 10. Hope you guys will enjoy my this small review and comments about this place called Gastehaus Koller. This place is located in the village called Appenzell in the canton of Innerrhoden in the Swiss country. Thank you very much.